Hey guys, it's Brandon here. Just wanted to go over a new procedure for counting our change fund and how we would log that. It's going to be important to us to make sure that we provide some clear expectations behind how often that's going to be counted. And now that we've added it to our drive, it's going to be, I think, easier to access and a lot quicker. I noticed that the sheet that we were using maybe wasn't getting used as often as we would like. And I think it was a little complicated, and there was just a lot of clutter there that we didn't really use. So I've tried to simplify that for us, and again, add it to a drive so we can all access that electronically through cell phones or iPads eventually when we get those set up. So let me take a second to show that to you. So to get to our change fund log, you'll go to our Truett's Luau drive and then the security folder, as you notice here. And then you'll see the change fund log and a server purse log. So if you click change fund log, it'll take you right here. And you'll notice a few things, the date and then denominations here. So you'll see we've counted it this morning. And we've got pennies, nickels, dimes, quarters, ones, fives, and then any additional monies that we have in 10s, 20s, 50s, or 100s. Then we have 9 cashier tills here at the restaurant that total this amount. 2 cashier tills that are at the hospital right now. 8 weight purses. We have 8 at $30 each. So we see that we have 8 here. And then this is an auto sum. And so when you type in your totals here, it'll automatically add it all together and should get to your total. And then we just say who the person who counted it was, so we know who to go back to if we have any questions. We should be counting our change fund and logging it here once at opening, second at changeover, when we change leadership over around 2 or 3 o'clock, and then also at closing. And so we could just log that here. Again, this is opening. You could do changeover and closing log. And so that's hopefully a little bit simpler way to count our change fund. And to log it, again, you can do it in the drive, which means you can do it from your phone or from an iPad or a computer and log that up for us. That'll be important as we also have to input these counts into Inform in the back office, and so we can just look at it from here. The second thing I wanted to go over was our server purse log, and I just wanted to mention that we have now labeled all of our server purses. So for example, this one is labeled Aloha 8, so that would be purse number 8. So we just want to log that those are going in and going out. So beginning to tomorrow, or maybe even this afternoon, we'll log that purse number 8 was given to, I'll change that so it doesn't show dollar signs. Was given to, as an example, Elizabeth. And then when she turns that in, we'll say who the purse was returned to. And so I could put my name down when purse number 8 has been returned to the safe. One thing to note here is that when you receive a purse back, the manager would be, or team leader would be responsible for counting that purse and making sure that it's been returned to us with the $30 exactly. Please make sure you count all the dollars and change. Make sure that it has enough change in it. We don't need to, add ones or fives or anything like that. That it is ready to go. So those are 2 new quick procedures that I wanted to go over with you: the change fund log and the server purse log. And I would ask that we implement those immediately so that we can have some good logs about where the money is in our restaurant. Thanks for your help on that. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out.